Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exclusive hypercars in the world, the 2025 Bugatti Divo. This beast is more than just a car. It's a masterpiece of engineering, luxury, and extreme performance. If you thought the Chiron was impressive, wait until you see what the Divo brings to the table. Let's get into it. Starting with the model itself, the Bugatti Divo is named after Albert Divo, a French racing driver who dominated the Targa Florio race in the 1920s. This car is not just a rebadged Chiron. It's a more aggressive, track-focused machine designed to push performance even further. While it shares the same W16 turbocharged engine as the Chiron, everything else has been refined for sharper handling, increased downforce, and improved aerodynamics. Bugatti limited production to just 40 units worldwide, making it one of the rarest hypercars on the planet. Moving to the exterior, the Divo looks absolutely stunning with its radically redesigned body. Bugatti has made extensive aerodynamic improvements, including a larger fixed wing that generates 90 kilograms more downforce than the Chiron. The front end features larger air intakes, a redesigned grille, and a new LED headlight system that gives the car an aggressive stance. The sleek lines and sculpted bodywork not only enhance its visual appeal, but also contribute to improved cooling and stability at high speeds. The lightweight wheels, wider front splitter, and massive rear diffuser ensure that the Divo stays planted to the ground, whether on the track or the road. Step inside, and the Divo's interior is just as breathtaking as its exterior. Unlike the Chiron's more luxurious setup, the Divo's cabin leans towards a performance-focused design while still maintaining Bugatti's signature opulence. The seats are wrapped in Alcantara and designed for better lateral support, keeping the driver firmly in place during high-speed cornering. The steering wheel is a mix of carbon fiber and leather, offering excellent grip and responsiveness. The dashboard and center console feature a minimalist layout with high-end materials like titanium, carbon fiber, and anodized aluminum. While some luxury elements have been reduced to save weight, the craftsmanship remains top-tier. There's no massive touchscreen here. Bugatti sticks to a driver-facement analog-style interface with a digital display providing all essential performance data. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Divo truly shines. Under the hood, it packs the same monstrous 8-liter W16 turbocharged engine as the Chiron, producing a mind-blowing 1,479 horsepower and 1,600 Nm of torque. However, while the Chiron was built for top speed, the Divo is all about agility and handling. Thanks to weight savings of 35 kilograms, a stiffer suspension, and an optimized chassis, the Divo is 8 seconds quicker around the Nardo handling circuit than the Chiron. The electronically limited top speed of 380 km/h, 236 km/h is lower than the Chiron's, but it's the improved cornering capabilities and lateral acceleration that make this car a true track weapon. The Divo delivers an insane driving experience, offering razor-sharp responsiveness, mind-blowing acceleration, and an exhaust note that roars with authority. Of course, exclusivity and performance come at a price. The Bugatti Divo was originally sold for $5,800,000, but with only 40 units ever made, resale values have skyrocketed. Some models have been listed for over $10 million, making it not just a hypercar, but a collector's dream. Compared to the Chiron, which starts at around $3 million, the Divo is significantly more expensive, but for those who can afford it, the price tag is just a number. So, is the 2025 Bugatti Divo worth it? Absolutely. It's a hypercar that redefines what's possible in terms of performance, design, and exclusivity. It's not just another Bugatti, it's a masterpiece crafted for the elite few who demand the best of the best. Let me know in the comments. If you had the chance, would you choose the Divo over the Chiron? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insane car reviews.